This graduation program is very special not only because we have the graduates here, but because you are here today. Our graduates from the preparatory class prepared a welcome cheer just to tell you today that you are special and indeed this is a beautiful day. May I request now Jewel Sandrine Halig and Yuri Andrew Ferrer to give the special welcome message.
There is a time for everything. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to uproot. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to scatter stones and a time to gather them. A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing. A time to search and a time to give up. A time to keep and a time to throw away. A time to search and a time to give up. A time to be silent and a time to speak. A time to saan na? Tapos na yung a time to give up, a time to love, and a time to hate. A time for war, a time for peace. Today is a time to celebrate, a time to be joyful for the whole new work is done. Let us all welcome this day with a big smile and join the fun.